Do you dream of becoming an investigative journalist, uncovering powerful stories that create impact? Then listen up. The one summer school of investigative reporting 2025 is now accepting applications. And the best part, it is fully funded. So stay with me to find out how you can apply, who is eligible, and what emerging benefits this opportunity brings. Hi everyone, welcome back to Bunch of Opportunities. Your go-to place for life-changing programs, scholarships, fellowships from around the world. So now let's talk about the opportunity. What is it? So the Bunch Summer School of Investigative Reporting, which is a prestigious annual training program hosted by the Balkan Investigative Reporting Network (BIRN), and it is designed for early to mid career journalists who want to sharpen their investigative journalism skills, network with global professionals, and work on real cross-border stories. And this week-long intensive program includes hands-on training, mentoring lectures by award-winning reporters, and practical fieldwork, all set in a collaborative international environment. So now let's say the eligibility criteria or who can apply. So journalists from Western Balkans and other European countries are eligible to apply, and early to mid-career reporters with a passion for investigative journalism. So if you have a passion for the investigative journalism, and if you are in the early to mid-career reporters, then it might be suitable option for you. And freelancers and staff journalists alike are also welcome for the application. And, and you have to have a strong interest in cross-border in-depth stories, which is a must. So now let's dig up about the benefits, because once you know the benefits, it will motivate you for the application and for the selection. So now let's talk benefits. It is a fully funded participation, including accommodation, meals, and materials, and you will get travel grants for selected participants. That means those who will be selected, they will get the travel grants, and you will have access to world-class mentors and editors. You will have opportunities to pitch and develop investigative story ideas, and you'll get published. Some stories developed during the program are published by BIRN and partner Media. This is more than a school, and it's a career launching platform, obviously. Now let's talk about the application process. So application is simple. At first, you have to visit the official Bansam School page, which will attach in the description, and you have to fill out the online application form. You will see once you go through the link, and you have to submit a short pitch for an investigative story idea, and you have to upload your CV and relevant work samples if you have, and you just hit the submit and request your fingers, and you are done. And applications are reviewed by the bank's editorial board, so make sure your page stands out. What are the important dates for you to mark in your calendars? So deadline for the application is July 21, 2025, and the program dates from August 18 to 25, 2025, and the location will be Montenegro. Montenegro. So don't wait until the last minute. Slots are limited and competitive. And here I come up with some tips for a successful application. You can consider as a bonus tips for a success. So keep your pitch relevant, realistic, and regionally focused. So show why your story matters. And highlight your journalism experience, even if it is freelance or student work. And you can also mention any private investigative projects or ideas. Think you have got what it takes, then don't miss out the Punch Summer School Industrial Reporting. This is a chance to take your journalism career to the next level. And if you find this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more global opportunities, and share this with any journalists to know about community. So apply now and start your journey into impactful journalism. Link in the description. Till then, thank you and have a good day.